What if you could earn $1,250 in affiliate commissions each referral instead of the $12.50 you now receive? I'm sure it's incredible. High-ticket affiliate marketing is promoting items or services that pay out large profits. In fact, you may make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 or more per transaction in affiliate commissions. High-ticket affiliate marketing is based on the premise that you may earn more money from fewer purchases. There are several 100% legitimate high-ticket affiliate programs available in a variety of categories. So, in this compilation, we'll show you 7 of the hottest high-ticket affiliate programs. So without a further ado, let's get started. First on this list is Legendary Marketer. This affiliate program is in the e-business niche. Legendary Marketer is a well-known product in the affiliate marketing industry. It's a training program for internet entrepreneurs and marketers with a solid affiliate scheme. The key reason I like it is because it contains various low-ticket product offers as well as several high-end products with high commission rates. The premise of Legendary Marketer is straightforward. It's the brainchild of David Sharp, a digital marketing specialist, and it's essentially a training program that helps you develop your own internet business. As a Legendary Marketer affiliate, you may market a wide range of items. Here are a few, but not all, of the items available from Legendary Marketers. 15-day challenge. This low-cost item costs only $7. It assists you in developing your affiliate marketing business. On a daily basis, the curriculum comprises video instruction, quizzes, calls with mentors, and tasks. By the conclusion of the 15 days, you'll be ready to launch your affiliate marketing company, complete with emails, items, and other essentials. The Legendary Marketers Club. This is known as the Netflix of online marketing instruction. Traffic Rolodex Bundle teaches you how to direct traffic to a specified landing page. Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint. This $2,500 high-ticket program concentrates on Legendary Marketer offers, but the training can be applied to whatever affiliate choice you have. Digital Products Business Blueprint. This one focuses on developing digital products, such as audio files, videos, or ebooks, that may be offered only to members through a dedicated portal. Coaching and Consulting Business Blueprint. As a consultant or coach, your expertise and knowledge are what you provide, and Legendary Marketer prepares you for it. Events and Masterminds Business Blueprint. In this one, you'll discover how to hold events and generate recurring commissions, clients, or consumers. Affiliate link for this product is available in description below. Second on this list is Capitalist Exploits. This affiliate program is in the investment niche. Anyone who has seen The Big Short has undoubtedly thought to themselves, I could do that. However, you may request guidance from a group of experienced investors. That is exactly what the Capitalist Exploits newsletter provides. These aren't speculators or experts on YouTube. They put their money where their mouth is. What I enjoy best about Capitalist Exploits is that their website isn't merely a sales page. In fact, they offer a wealth of free information in the form of blog entries and a downloadable report. However, this does not imply that the Capitalist Exploits Insider Investing newsletter is inexpensive. It is actually $1,999 each year. Because website owners gain 50% revenue on any items purchased through their affiliate link. That implies you may earn $999.50 for each referral that subscribes to their newsletter. But they also have other things to market, such as high-ticket items costing up to $3,499. Some of which provide a discount for those who sign up for their free newsletter. It has a cookie lifespan of 365 days. Affiliate link for this product is available in description below. Third on this list is Kinsta. This affiliate program is in the web hosting niche. If you're fortunate, your blog will soon exceed the shared hosting that you're now using. Then it will be time to choose the next best web hosting solution. When it comes to the managed WordPress hosting area, Kinsta is that alternative for an increasing number of organizations. But this is much more than just claiming to be a managed hosting solution. Kinsta genuinely delivers, with lightning-fast load speeds and outstanding support. Furthermore, you won't have to worry about whether or not they can scale with your company. Is this form of hosting inexpensive? No. But that's an added advantage. Because the Kinsta affiliate program offers up to $500 in commissions each sale referred through your affiliate link. The cookie has a lifespan of 60 days. Hence Kinsta is one of the highest-paying high-ticket affiliate programs in this roundup. You will also receive a 10% monthly recurring commission for the lifetime of the customer. Earn a lifelong commission from only one sale? That's a tempting concept. If you are liking this video, then smash the like button in appreciation. Fourth on this list is Shopify. This affiliate program is in the e-business niche. If you're familiar with the world of e-commerce, you've probably heard of Shopify. Its product is used by over 1 million online retailers in over 175 countries, including notable companies such as Gymshark, Pepsi, and Staples. In other words, it's a huge thing. Shopify, like many high-ticket affiliate networks, does not want to deal with just anybody. To be a Shopify affiliate marketer, you must own and operate an active website, have an established audience, have expertise with commerce, entrepreneurship, Shopify, or other e-commerce platforms, create unique materials such as online courses, blog articles, videos, or guides. So this isn't a beginner's affiliate program. However, if you meet those requirements, you will be rewarded handsomely. Per referral, Shopify pays a bounty fee up to 200% of the monthly plan price. Prices range from $29 to $299 each month, for a total of $598. It has a cookie lifespan of 60 days. And Shopify's enterprise-grade solutions can help you make even more. Fifth on this list is Hubspot. This affiliate program is in the software niche. Hubspot is a big shark in the metaphorical digital marketing ocean. In fact, its creators authored the book on inbound marketing, literally. More than 113,000 clients in over 120 countries utilize its tools to create leads, manage them through email lists, guide them through the user journey, and force them to buy. It's a fantastic tool, but it's not inexpensive, which is why HubSpot has one of the highest paid affiliate programs available. Take a look at this commission structure. Beginner package $250 per sale, professional package $500 per sale, and business package $1,000 per sale. Even better, there are several benefits to cross-selling. If a consumer you referred purchases 2 things, you will receive commission on each. So if they purchase Marketing Starter and Sales Professional together, it will cost them $250 plus $500. It has a cookie lifespan of 90 days. Sixth on this list is Clickfunnels. This affiliate program is in the software niche. Anyone who has considered creating an affiliate marketing funnel will be familiar with the Clickfunnels brand. Russell Brunson created it after years of working in the trenches of internet and affiliate marketing. This tool essentially allows you to design a sales funnel. This results in more leads becoming paying clients. We don't usually cover affiliate schemes like this because they've been done to death elsewhere. Regardless of what we suggest, some of you will launch a site in the IM sector. Clickfunnels, at the very least, distributes high-ticket affiliate goods that convert well and are utilized by many email marketing specialists. So, how does this deal stack out against the other high-ticket affiliate programs discussed in this article? Affiliates receive a 40% monthly recurring commission on a product that costs between $97 and $297 per month. However, web publishers can make $100 per lead on 2 more affiliate items, which are often offered in an upsell later in the customer cycle. It has a cookie lifespan of 30 days. Last affiliate program on this list is Fiverr. This affiliate program is in the e-business niche. Some incredibly foresighted individuals projected that the work market will shift substantially before 2025. Essentially, more individuals would want to work remotely. That is precisely what occurred, but not for the reasons they expected. However, this implies that services like Fiverr will be more popular than ever. New businesses will emerge, all of which will require the talents of brilliant producers, marketers, and designers. All of stuff is available on this platform, including a wide range of services suited to an affiliate marketing audience. You wouldn't generally equate Fiverr with a high-ticket affiliate scheme. Affiliates, on the other hand, may earn $150 in commission if a referral purchases a Fiverr Pro Services package. Hope that you liked this video. See you in another interesting video. Take care.